Hi everyone, my name is Cassie, and today we're going to be playing Fantasy Zone. Um, Basically, from what I've read, it's a little hard to read the font, but basically, there's a bunch of people that are trying to um, steal money and take over the Fantasy Zone. Um, that's pretty much it, and you have to stop them. You are what is called the Opa Opa. Don't know what that means. This game was made by Sega. Now, as you can see, unfortunately, I guess Sega didn't have their signature Sega when they made um but yeah, so let's get right to it. The game definitely reminds me of a mixture of Galaga and um Flappy Bird. There's a lot of stuff going on though. Oh no. Alright, let's try that again. Let's see if we can get a better score. Survive maybe a little bit longer. I'm not the greatest at this kind of game, but we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can manage. Oh, I got him! Okay. Let's see. Oh, we died again. Okay, let's keep going. I'm determined. I'm going to kill some things, some aliens. The feel to this is very like pixel Japanese kind of kawaii feel. It's got a lot of bright colors. It's a nice side scroller. Kind of reminds me of a little side scroller that I made for a different class, for my Fundamentals of Game Art class. This obviously being a bit more detailed and a little bit nicer looking, but mine was very similar. Aesthetically, anyway. But we are definitely going to try this again. I will not give up. I am determined. Let's play. So I'm not really sure what this Opa is. I think it just is like a spaceship, maybe. Like that might just be the name of the spaceship. I don't know. But you don't ever, from what I can tell, you don't ever get to see like who. I'm trying to get this one guy. You don't really ever get to see who is inside this spaceship, though. I'm gonna get this guy. I'm telling you. Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll try for the next one. There's another one. Nice. Ah. Okay, let's try again. Instead of focusing on those guys, let's see if we can get some other ones. Ah, well, what can I say? Personally, like, if it was me in an arcade game back in the 80s, would I play this? Yeah, sure. I mean, it looks aesthetically pleasing. I'm one of those people that if it looks pretty, I'll probably go after it, you know? Would I go after it like if they had it at a Dave and Buster's now? Maybe not. Um, just because if I saw like Galaga there, which I know they have Galaga there, I'd definitely do that instead. It's a little bit easier than this. Um, but yeah, I really did enjoy playing the game. Um, it's fun. It's difficult though, so honestly, like it was a good idea because it kept people coming back. I'm sure. I mean, look at how many times I played the thing. So, but yeah, I mean, it the graphics are pretty standard, I think, for the time. You know, pixel. It's nice though. And the sound is very minimal. which yet again I think is very typical of the time. It does make it a little distracting though, since it is very loud. But I did really enjoy it, and maybe I'll come back and play it. Thank you. Bye.